This Getting Started demo shows the techniques for taking a standard CAD file, adding geospatial coordinates, and draping an image to create a geospatial 3D PDF. First, let's take a look at our model in the AutoCAD previewer TrueView, where we can change from shaded to wireframe and take a look at the mesh that we're about to use for 3D PDF generation. First, start PDF3D ReportGen and use the Add File menu to select the DWG file we were just previewing in TrueView and load this into the input file list in ReportGen. Select an interface and then go to the Geospatial coordinate menus. Here we should specify the characteristics of our input file, so we select that from the pull-down and select input units. Both XY and elevation are in meters. We can select a coordinate system, and in this case we want to specify that this is a projected geospatial coordinate system, and we can select from a large list on the side here by a search menu where we can specify this to be 2770. We can see this is the British National Grid EPSG 27700. And once that's specified, we can also go to our 3D view and ask for additional tools to be added onto the page. For instance, inserting a 3D mouse probe and set that to be reporting in a UTM projected coordinate system mouse probe mode. Now, back on the Input and Output tab, we can make our first trial conversion. Once the PDF opens, we can review it by looking at the 3D surface and also checking the wireframe representation to see that it's the same mesh object that we produced and viewed using Autodesk TrueView. In addition, we've enabled a mouse probe to show UTM projected geospatial coordinates for every point on the surface, and we can check the output here as relevant to the position we expect. Okay, so back in PDF3D ReportGen menus, we can go to the geospatial coordinate system and add a relevant geospatial image, an ortho image, to drape onto the surface. In this case, we've specified a GeoTIFF image, which includes a coordinate system, and we can enable high-resolution textures to represent the best features of that image. Now our second conversion shows the same surface, but this time in 3D we can see the GeoTIFF image that's been draped and aligned onto the surface, as well as our 3D geospatial coordinate probe reporting the positions anywhere we want on our elevation grid surface and also the ortho image. I hope this is helpful, and thank you for watching.